There are over 1.2 billion underbanked or unbanked people across Asia, and they have a need to transfer money between one party and another, one country and another. And today that process is very cumbersome. You wait in long queues, 3 to 5 hours. You have a whole lot of costs associated with the transfer of funds, and you have delays associated with the actual money transfer. Alex, you've created your platform at TNG and the eMoney Alliance to really solve this problem and take all the friction out of the picture. How does the platform work?
So people don't have to queue out anymore. They can top up the money from any convenience shops, and they can send money as and when it's needed at home. With a click of a button, they can send money and make the money available to their loved one right away. And their loved one, they are unbanked. They don't have a bank account. So where are they going to get the money? All they need is we send them an SMS with a payout code. They just present the payout code at the local convenience shops or post office, or even go to the local bank counter, present the ID card and the payout code, they can withdraw money right away.
There's a lot of KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering regulations and compliance around this. What kind of technologies have you brought to allow that type of operation to happen seamlessly?
First of all, when they use our service, we do an onboarding process, a KYC process to screen them, make sure they are not a criminal, they are not doing money laundering, things like that, no negative history in the past. But every time when they send money to their beneficiary, we also do this auto screening, real-time screening, to screen both the sender as well as beneficiary, just like a bank. Because sometimes even when it is micro transaction, the regulators still think this is high-risk transaction. It is a high-frequency, low-margin business, but we have to meet full compliances each and every time.
So that number of 1.2 billion underbanked or unbanked across Asia, it's an even bigger number globally. You're helping them not just from a financial services standpoint, but also lifting them out of poverty. There's a lot of social good around that. What do you think the long-term picture looks like, and what will you have achieved with respect to social mobility?
People stay poor because they couldn't tap into basic financial services. And we wanted to provide more financial education. Remittance is a start for the first step to get into the financial services. Then we wanted to offer them with other wealth management, investment, insurance, to have better protection to their financial future. And in 2 months' time, we are issuing them the virtual card, MasterCard, and also the physical card, where they can scan the QR code at the back of the card. Immediately, they can bind the card into their e-wallet. They can bind as many cards as they want and give the card away to their family members. We're also offering something very unique. We call it spending protection. They themselves, before they pass the card to their family members, they can put the restriction, the daily transaction limit, weekly, monthly, which country they can do the transactions, and which shop, not the shop selling alcohol, not at the casino, things like that. So these are basic services which is unique to their demand, their requirement. So giving the card, you have to spend wisely, responsibly, not just giving the card and then you just simply spend the money. So they can impose all this spending protection.